Hey plant lovers! Welcome back to Garden World, where we make plant care fun and easy. Have you ever wanted to turn one houseplant into a whole jungle for free? Today, I'm showing you 5 beginner-friendly ways to propagate your houseplants. Stick around, because you'll be growing new plants in no time. Let's dive in. First up, stem cuttings, one of the easiest methods. This works great for plants like Pothos or philodendron. Here's how. Find a healthy stem with at least 2 to 3 nodes. That's where the leaves meet the stem. Use clean scissors to cut just below a node at a 45-degree angle. Pop the cutting in a glass of water, making sure the node is submerged. Place it in bright, indirect light and change the water every few days. In 2 to 4 weeks, you'll see roots. Once they're about an inch long, plant them in soil or keep them in water for a cool look. Pro tip: add a drop of liquid fertilizer to speed things up. Next, leaf cuttings, perfect for plants like snake plants or African violets. Here's the deal. Snip a healthy leaf close to the base. For snake plants, you can cut the leaf into 2-inch sections. Let the cut end dry for a day to prevent rot. This is called callousing. Plant the cut end in well-draining soil about ½ an inch deep. Keep the soil lightly moist and place in bright, indirect light. Be patient. It can take a few weeks to see tiny plantlets. Fun fact: one snake plant leaf can give you multiple new plants. Method 3 is division, ideal for clumping plants like peace lilies or ferns. It's super simple. Gently remove the plant from its pot and shake off excess soil to see the roots. Look for natural sections where the plant can be separated. Each should have roots and leaves. Use clean scissors to cut apart the sections if needed. Repot each division in fresh soil and water well. Place them in their usual spot, and they'll keep growing like nothing happened. This is a quick way to double your plants. Number 4. Offsets or pups. Plants like spider plants or aloe make this easy by growing baby plants. Here's how. Look for small plantlets with their own roots. Spider plant babies are called spiderettes. Gently twist or cut them from the parent plant. Plant them in their own pot with well-draining soil. Water lightly and keep in bright, indirect light. These babies grow fast, and soon you'll have a whole family of plants. Plus, they're perfect for gifting. Last but not least, air layering, for those fancy plants like Monstera or rubber plants. It's a bit advanced, but so cool. Choose a healthy stem and make a small upward cut about 1/3 of the way through. Wrap the cut area with damp sphagnum moss, then cover with plastic wrap to keep it moist. Secure it with twist ties and check weekly. Roots should form in 2 to 4 weeks. Once roots are strong, cut below them and plant in soil. This method's great for bigger plants you don't want to chop up. A few quick tips. Always use clean tools to avoid disease. If cuttings rot, try less water or a different container. And don't stress if growth is slow. Patience is key. Experiment with these methods and find what works for your plants. That's it, Plant Fam. Which method are you trying first? Drop it in the comments and share your propagation wins with me on Instagram at Garden World. If you loved this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more plant tips. See you in the next video. Keep growing!